Let me show you how we can fix issues with Hotspot not working properly on Samsung Galaxy A57. So first of all, we're gonna open settings and let's proceed to connections. The first thing that you need to remember about the mobile hotspot on Galaxy A57 is that you actually use mobile network to share the access to the internet. You cannot really use Wi-Fi with mobile hotspot. If you try to turn on the mobile hotspot, then of course Wi-Fi is going to be deactivated. Besides that, if we go to the mobile hotspot, in here we can find a couple of options that can be helpful and they might solve your issue, or there are a couple of settings that we can go through. First of all, once the hotspot is enabled, you can generate a QR code. So if on that other device you can scan the Wi-Fi QR code, then of course this can be really helpful because you can connect to the network immediately without having to enter the password or without having to find the network on the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Besides that, we can tap on this section in here, and the first setting that you want to check is of course the band setting. Of course, 6 GHz allows you to increase the performance of your hotspot, but as a result, 6 GHz might not be usable on that other device that is trying to connect to your hotspot. So in order to increase the compatibility, you might want to switch to 5 GHz or maybe even a 2.4 GHz. And of course, see if that helps. Also, we can go to advanced settings, and in here we can find, for example, the hidden network option, which of course hides the network as the name suggests, so that it is not detectable on the list of available networks by other devices. And if you have this option enabled, you will have to use the QR code generator in order to scan the QR code to be able to connect to the hotspot. So if you want to avoid that, you want to of course make sure that your network is not really hidden. And there is also the support Wi-Fi 6 standard, which is also pretty great, to a great choice to increase the performance of the hotspot. But just like in the case of the band, you might lose the compatibility with other devices. So you might want to turn this option off if it is actually enabled. And that is almost pretty much it. There's actually one more option, and that is this one, power saving mode, which reduces the battery usage by analyzing the traffic on the mobile hotspot. So this may affect the performance, as you can see over here in this description, of features such as online gaming or video streaming. So of course you might want to disable this option as well in case you still have some issues with the hotspot not working properly on other devices. And remember to use the save button in order to, of course, apply all your changes that you may have done in this menu. And that is pretty much it. Of course, as I mentioned, we use the mobile data to share the access to the internet with the hotspot. So you want to make sure that your mobile data is actually working correctly, and that you have, for example, a proper plan for your mobile data, that you can use mobile data to access the internet. Otherwise, of course, the access might be very limited. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.